This is a ping pong table you have been looking everywhere for. I'm Morgan, and this is a totally honest and unbiased product review video, so I hope that you find it helpful. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of everything you need to know about it so you can make a more informed buying decision. So if you are looking to have fun with your friends, this ping pong table is the way to do it, baby. So we play this all the time. It is so much fun. It's better than just watching TV or doing nothing. So obviously the game of ping pong is pretty self-explanatory, but this baby holds up for so long. You can see the quality in it. What I love is the bottom. I love the color of the top. It's really, really nice. As far as size wise, let me back up so you can see. So this is in an outdoor space, but it very easily could fit indoor as well. If you're even thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it. It has brought so much fun and entertainment for our friends and our family. So if you're thinking about getting the ping pong table, I say go for it. It's set up really, really easily, and then it has just the clip-on right here is how you do this. I would get you at least 4 paddles in case you want to play doubles or anything like that. But overall, I recommend 10 out of 10. It is absolutely awesome. And if you see this video, I hope something really good happens to you today because you deserve it. Have an amazing day.